Welcome, today I've heard of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the right side of our phone to the power key button, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner here works just so fast and correct. We can unlock the device just with a simple touch on the power key button. So I'm not pressing it, I just simple touch it by this way. As you can see, that's work correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the passcode, the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode and pin code unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.